Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of this gorgeous 2013 Mercedes A250 Sport. This car comes with the 2-litre petrol engine with the 7-speed automatic gearbox, producing 208 brake horsepower while still returning up to 44 miles per gallon. The engine is Euro 6 compliant and the car comes with full service history from Mercedes and has a nice low mileage of just over 39,000 miles. This car has over £2,000 worth of factory options fitted, including the glass opening roof, reversing camera, as well as heated front seats. As we look inside, on the Sport, a few nice features. You've got the leather steering wheel there with the red stitching, which also matches the leather seats with the suede centres. They certainly look supportive, as well as the red seat belts. The car also comes with satellite navigation, Bluetooth for your phone, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And see on the door card there, you also have the folding wing mirrors and the 4 electric windows. Rear passengers, we've got a good amount of legroom there in the back, as well as the storage nets in the back of the front seats. And as we open the tailgate, we see we've got a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats, and the parcel shelf is still in place, and you also have a bit of extra storage underneath the boot floor as well. Externally, the car comes with the daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, as well as the reversing camera that I already mentioned, the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, as well as the nice twin exhaust pipes there on the back. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty, which you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 9.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.